I didn't heard you go crazy. She go crazy because you better get up in there. Mike Tyson. Oh, yeah.
Who's your future ex-wife?
You.
No, I mean, somebody called that is trying to join. Where'd Treyway go? Ah!
Man, you got bullshit.
Where did I put my car key?
He steady getting kicked with that bullshit ass cricket.
Oh, GS. Oh, where'd GS go? GS want to join.
Unlimited Zaza pack with Trippy.
What happened to GS?
55A. You know, we smoking Zaza all day, non-stop. 65A.
GS.
Fuck that sherbet. Where that shit go?
The sherbet?
Yeah.
Guys, I lost my car key while I was getting out of my car.
Good Zaza. You got to show the THC level. Damn, this bitch sealed up like a crackhead.
Aaliyah. Where my bitch?
Nigga, we in here. Nigga finna go to Saturn. Fuck Mars. Nigga, we finna go to Saturn.
Hey, bitch.
Hey, bitch.
Who's that? Savannah?
What you on, girl?
Girl, finna get my coochie checked.
She like, whoa, I wasn't expecting that.
Well, I mean, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, that's good, because these motherfuckers don't get checked.
Oh, the dead homies, they don't go.
Every 2 weeks.
I'm gonna lie and say I have symptoms so they can take me faster. Because I didn't
Wait,
make
what?
I'm gonna lie and say I have symptoms so they could make me go in quicker.
I don't know about that part. But
Do you think they'll let me in faster if
I don't think so.
You gonna wait the same time.
Okay.
And then they just gonna look at you like you dirty.
Then guess what they gonna do? They gonna just give you the medicine for whatever you said you got or whatever you think you got.
I don't think I have anything.
That's what these nasty motherfuckers go to the doctor and do. Yeah, they go to the doctor and say, hey, I got this or I got that. They don't even get checked. God damn,
oh my God.
You gotta rip all this shit off to open the weed?
Okay, my baby daddy, the last Buddha. Okay.
Hey, Goob, that ain't Gooby, Goob. Don't lie on your pussy, cuz.
Don't. Hi, ma'am.
Yeah.
You guys need walk-in?
What you looking at? At the bottom? You just staring with shit?
Is that what you looking
Okay,
at?
is that for all
don't do it like that.
Oh, man. Okay. Do you guys have any available appointments tomorrow?
Boy, I keep getting kicked. They talking about I'm blocked. Cuz, look, you done got me blocked off Instagram, bitch.
STD check?
Pay the pocket, Goob.
Here he go.
Okay.
They got Cuzzo saying all this crazy shit now.
I'm not even saying all the crazy shit on Crip.
Not at all.
Regardless, I need that weed.
Got my phone walking around with his head, man. Niggas ain't got their motherfucking hand out.
Okay. I don't even know where that came from, dude. That just happened.
No, I want your apologies. We ain't never got our hands out.
I have a question. Is a photo of an ID okay?
If they gonna run it, they gonna run it. Crip, we ain't never running around with our hands out.
Oh, really?
Bro, she not adding me.
Damn, I don't even have one. What about a birthday
motherfucker? Hey, but she not talking about nothing at the bottom left. On Hoover, she might get the boot.
Wow.
She quiet.
Anything with my picture and my name on it? Even if I
You know what they say about the quiet ones, bro?
She observed.
Why are you trying to antagonize me? I ain't even do shit to you.
Hey, why you so quiet?
What the fuck? I need a photo ID, bro. I don't even have no fucking ID.
Why don't you have a photo
She don't
ID?
say nothing. She know to kick back and just pay attention.
Long story.
So something wrong with
Girl, why don't you just reorder one?
Girl, because I wasn't born in the U.S., I lost my passport, my driver's license is suspended, and in order to get a California ID, I need my birth certificate, and I don't know where it is. I think my mom has it. So
You can order your birth
Nigga
certificate
said,
on
get the
Vital
nigga off
Records.
and add me.
You can go to vitalrecords.com.
These niggas just want to talk over us.
Vitalrecords.com, and you can order a whole new birth certificate.
No, I think my mom has it at home, but I just gotta. There's so. Wait, is it every Planned Parenthood that wants you to have your actual ID, or is it just this one in Lakewood?
Hey, boy, it don't seem like this. This your first time getting your coochie tag, Goof?
No, I used to have my ID. That shit.
Go to your regular doctor.
Yeah, if you go to the regular one, they were done.
I don't have health insurance.
You don't have to. You just pay out
You
of
in the
pocket.
Benz and all the shit on Crip. You moving backwards, girl.
I don't know how to.
Now you talking right, cuz now you just said
On
something.
Hoover, she moving backwards. She talking about good Benz, the Audi on Hoover. Where the insurance at?
Yeah, baby, you supposed to have good insurance. You supposed to be able to go on that, but you getting good money. You should have no. It ain't nothing but 200, 180 to order that shit.
Yeah, it's only $200 to get checked, but you still have to show your ID.
Go to your regular doctor. You don't gotta show no ID. Just
And the
pay
place
your
I
little...
go to in LA, you can get next day results too. I pay $275. I get COVID and full panel.
Look, she get that coochie check.
See?
Cuz
She
best
know what's
friends
going
with
on.
her. Better be best friends with her. She know the whole little rundown.
She knows. She sharp.
What she say? The
Bravo, baby.
275?
275 next day
Yeah.
results. She ain't
Yeah.
playing. She wanna know rapid.
Shit.
I need to charge my fucking phone. Fuck.
You don't got a car charger?
It's broken. I gotta go buy one.
Yeah.
Big money. Go get another one. It's nothing.
She a porn
Oh,
star.
it's a
Porn star.
gas station.
Me?
Who a porn star?
You?
Me?
Oh, Crip?
You?
Oh, hope you do all
She
that.
That's why
get
she
shit,
quiet
too.
and observant.
She
Bravo.
get
Who?
busy.
Are you talking to me,
That's
Bravo?
why she ain't in here saying too
Hey,
much. She know what's going on.
She know how to, nigga.
Like,
She
man,
like,
Hey,
he said she a porn star. He know.
she lying.
Oh
I'm
my
finna
God,
search
we
you up,
don't
I'm
bitch.
care
not
about
lying.
your
I'm not gonna
ace blank,
Hey, that's
your
on
three
Hoover,
blank.
bitch. I'm gonna
Nobody
search
give a
you up.
fuck, dude.
What's your
Okay,
name,
go for
cuz?
it.
Fuck out of here.
who is that?
Some nigga wants some fucking attention.
Hey, what's your name, Goo? What's your little stage
Aaliyah
name?
Hadid. Aaliyah Hadid.
You made the Pornhub yet, or you on X videos?
X videos, Pornhub, all of it.
Oh, all of it?
You like big on there?
You going viral?
Let me
I
see.
mean,
I'm about to go look.
I'm jumping back scenes this year, but
Oh, hold
yeah.
on. I'm finna go Google it right
Oh,
now.
Crip,
Stop
also,
playing with me.
look, you on Keyway is on there. What's your name again?
Aaliyah Hadid, but don't show it on here because you're gonna get her live banned.
No, we
Look.
not. Come on, man. I know don't do that. I want my live.
Yeah, this is like my 6th Instagram page.
Damn. Or you said
Aaliyah?
what?
Aaliyah like the singer, Aliyah, and then Hadid
She
like
go
Bella and
crazy.
Gigi.
On the dead, on bottles, Crip. It was the first one, only put 2 A's. You going viral
Yeah,
like that?
that's me.
Oh,
Oh, Hoover, she going Crip. Look, you know her name.
Oh, I
Hoover.
want to watch it.
That's on the dead.
No,
homie.
don't put it on here. It's gonna get your shit deleted, girl.
Damn, she taking it.
I'm out of here.
He finna go beat them meat.
Okay, go
Oh,
ahead.
hope I don't gotta beat my meat. Why I gotta beat my meat? I just get up on her. Fuck, I'm
Let her
gonna
know
y'all
something,
thought,
girl.
and y'all thought a bitch was lying about her credentials.
What I'm gonna
Look,
beat my meat? I can just
on
shoot my
the
shot. Get
dead,
up on her.
homie, she got
Fuck I look
900K
like.
views. Oh, Crip.
She said you finna go beat your meat. You know who I am?
Oh, and then if you go to X videos, the views is even higher on
All
there.
right, look, on Crip, we're gonna check the X videos too for you.
She got it going.
On Keyway, she got the good verified check mark. You think
you
I'm
gotta
lying?
do is type 2. All you gotta do is
You
type
think
2
I'm
A's.
lying?
Pop right up. Yeah, homies.
Oh, Crip is the check mark. She go viral.
Oh, yes. 2 letters on Crip. Double down. She
On the
pop
dead
up.
homies, I put 2 letters.
First everything. Yeah, she viral on the scene.
Sure. So what penthouse we living in, go? Oh, Crip, what penthouse we living in?
Cause I'm stupid. Goose said what penthouse we living
On
in.
Crip, we can make a little team. I'll probably get a little cameraman or something on Hoover. I don't know about the little things and all the little things on Hoover. The little cameraman, go. See, look,
Goose said.
okay.
Goose said I'm gonna be the cameraman.
Help me help you. We gonna touch the chili, cuz. Yeah.
Who's Monty 6ix?
What's up, y'all?
Aaliyah,
Hey,
Aaliyah.
hey, on Hoover,
Yes,
she
girl.
first on
Are
this
you in
one
LA?
too. I put
Yeah,
2
girl, I
letters.
live out here.
You want to hang out?
Yeah,
When, right now?
bitch, whenever. Well, actually, I got content to do at 6, but after that, I'm
Hey,
down.
let's make some content for OnlyFans.
Hey, girl, that little shit don't be sore, cuz. It's
No,
all
You
but
gotta
muscle.
wait. You
Hey,
have
is
to. You
muscle
gotta
memory,
wait.
cuz?
You going to the doctor? You gotta
yeah,
wait. You can't make no
we can make content after. No, because I just
First of
got
all,
tested.
I'm
I
not
got my
saying
COVID
she
test.
gotta eat my coochie and I'm eating hers, and I don't got no fucking symptoms. I just want to go fucking get checked so I
I'm
can
just
post my
saying.
results.
If you
Hey,
listen,
trippy goo.
player, if you're going to get checked, you're supposed to put everything on pause, baby. Slow
Yeah,
down. Don't get
that
offended.
is
I'm just
true.
telling you some player shit. You're supposed to
Hey,
put
trippy
everything on
goo.
pause if you're going to get checked. Well, yeah, I
Man,
told you. I just went.
Trippy, when
I
did you
just
get
went
checked?
yesterday. Everything is on pause.
When
I
did
ain't
I
trying
get
to do
checked? Let me
nothing.
see.
Results come
I
down, then we back shoot shots. Other than that,
I
we on
got
pause.
checked the
Hey,
25th.
that's on the dead homies,
What's
goo.
I
going
got checked
on?
the
Hey,
25th.
that bitch could suck dick on the dead.
Oh yeah, that's my specialty.
Same.
She at the top talking about
What's the specialty?
she want Nutella and whipped cream. Oh, yeah,
What's the
what
specialty?
you like?
What's the
See,
specialty
look,
though?
this is okay. So y'all, I don't want to show my name and stuff, but my negative COVID test, boo. You know. Then let me go to the STD one.
Oh look, the little
Oh,
STD.
that's
Oh,
all
we
I'm
need
saying.
every disease, gonorrhea,
Man, that's so
HIV,
young.
hepatitis.
Go
Everything.
to the Pornhub and type in 2 A's. The first name, tap it is her.
Dead, bro. What? Hoover.
Negative.
Look, she said
Y'all see
about
all that?
throat go.
Negative. Period.
That's
Negative.
all I'm
Negative.
saying. Oh, yeah. A lot of people can't do that.
I get tested every 2 weeks because
A lot of people scared. They don't even go to the doctor. It's sad.
Nah,
When I go to my doctor, they be saying, like, you the only man really coming here, like, on the regular
I
and come
get
get
tested every 2
checkups. Dead
weeks.
homies.
Damn,
Oh,
that's
my
crazy.
doctor on
Hey,
call. Dead
dude.
homies,
That's
man.
so Hoover.
I'm going to
So,
best.
Crip, the Lokes invited to y'all kickback or what?
That's her kickback.
I ain't
Bitch,
even
you
going.
coming too. Bitch, you
I ain't
invited
even
now. I just
cat.
gave you an invitation.
If I don't have my baby,
Oh my
We paying
God.
for a
Who in
babysitter.
But
here got better dick suckers than foreign Barbie? Let me know. Thirsty.
Oh, yeah? They know you suck dick good. Who you that's them lips.
oh,
No,
Them them
Keyway
I wish I
bucks.
could show y'all, but I will get blocked from live.
yeah.
Ooh, she with
Hey,
all the
I know. Hey,
activity.
you hear me? I know.
Ask
That's
about me.
a Hoover.
Hey, Trippy, ask Photoshop.
I
Ooh,
just told you
hey,
I
you
know.
can't do that, Goo. Don't throw homies' names out there, cut. Hoover, keep it in the coochie, Goo.
Everybody,
Crip,
no,
don't do the homies like that,
Photoshop.
Goo.
Keep it in the coochie, oh yeah. Keep it in the coochie.
Photoshop exposed me already. He's like, Nat got that wet. I'm like,
Man,
Photoshop.
listen. Keep it in the coochie. Just say, man, they said you got that. Stop saying them people names.
Oh, Crip, you can't.
You name
Hoover?
dropping, baby.
No, he name dropped me on live. We have like 200
All right,
viewers.
we not doing that no more.
Oh,
We
man.
not doing that. We not doing that.
That's so Crip.
Actually,
So,
no,
hey,
only ask him.
oh yeah, that's what I'm calling her on the bottom.
Man, y'all. Even
Oh,
Nina.
Hoover.
Hey.
Hey, look, she looks. Oh, Crip, you
Hey,
get a.
Aaliyah,
Hey,
didn't
on the
Nino
dead
even
homies,
say,
that bitch get a
Nino
round of applause.
was popping all that hot shit about me. He's like, but I can't lie. She do know how to suck dick.
Yeah.
And he was
Trust me,
mad as fuck at me.
I know you know how to suck dick when you said you want Nutella and whipped cream. That's a lot of sucking on y'all. That's not on y'all. Crip.
That
That
bitch.
ain't.
On Crip, y'all cut from different cloths on the dead homies.
Oh.
The bitch got the 3 letters, first name pop up, all type of shit, good.
I want to watch it now.
And then you was talking all that shit until you typed in AA, and
Oh,
then
Crip,
He
you
said
got
Goop.
the A. Oh,
As soon
Hoover,
as I
you
typed
hey,
it in, I'm like,
Hoover,
damn.
that's your new.
The whole name popped right up. First one.
Hey.
As soon as you type it, first name pop on the top.
and you know what's crazy? All that still pops up, and I haven't shot scenes in like 2 years, and I'm about to
Yeah,
jump
you
back into it.
viral. They still watching. That shit new to some people. They still catching on.
Period.
Someone said Leah expression's hilarious. Oh God, Ling Ling too. Wait, did
Ling
Ling
Ling,
Ling
hold on,
Instagram
wait.
get deleted?
Where's Ling Ling at?
Yeah, Ling Ling is my older
Where's
sister.
Ling Ling?
Ling
Ling
Ling's
is
my
his
older sister.
She a Chinese bitch?
I ain't even gonna lie. That's
Nah,
on the damn
we're
homies.
Vietnamese.
Hey, that's on my kids when you first got on here. That's what I thought you was.
You thought I was Ling Ling?
Hold on. Hey, Trippy Good, Ling Ling go crazy, cut.
I
She
know her
got the
sister
little
too. Her
Ling
sister,
Lings and all the little
she
shit.
on the dead homie. She look just like her sister.
Yeah, y'all look just alike.
Hey, hold on. Why they call her Ling Ling, huh?
Because that's just her
But yeah,
That's
they're part
that's how
Asian.
they little look.
You Asian
Yeah, but that
too?
yes, we're black,
You
white,
gotta
Vietnamese,
see
and
her. That's
Cherokee.
her little look.
Black, white, Vietnamese, and Cherokee. And
On Crip, you
she
see the
looks more
boot on
Asian
my
than me,
neck, baby.
so
You could rub it on Hoover. All
Ling
little
Ling really
tight and
fits
shit,
her.
boo.
I like your afro, Aaliyah.
Trippy got the
Thank
money
you.
cat. Trippy don't got no Buddha.
Look at on Hoover.
Girl.
Everybody went infatuated with the Buddha man. I have to switch it up on them folks.
Yeah, bro, on Crip. Y'all get
Hey,
y'all little round
Aaliyah, you
of
want to come to my
applause.
birthday dinner?
Yeah, well, you could just DM me where it's gonna be. I don't want you to give out the location on live.
Oh, you
Okay,
Yeah,
it's
gonna
don't
on
give out the
Saturday.
location. Don't give out. Hey, look, don't just get. Look. Check this out. Don't just get. Don't be thinking people your friends to give them the location
No,
because they
I
gonna drop
only
the
give. I'm
location and drop the
mostly
location.
females.
You know what I'm talking about?
Mostly females are going.
So it's more than 10 bitches?
Yeah, probably.
All right, then the 5 lows coming in. I don't hope that make 15.
No,
That make 15, go. On Hoover, that's an uneven number,
I
go.
don't even
So
want
it
to
looks
invite
like they
niggas
want to
because
lap
no,
up.
because y'all niggas is not even gonna pay for your own food.
Bro, who said?
Who you
Bro,
talking to? Hold on, don't
Niggas,
say y'all.
niggas always expect bitches to
I'm not
pay.
gonna say that because I wasn't invited, so I'm not gonna speak on that. Okay, I'm exclude myself from that statement you just made.
Where's this Best Buy?
She said y'all niggas ain't even gonna pay for y'all meals.
No, I swear. I feel like if I invite guys, like they're gonna fucking.
I
not
know
even
you
want
used to them niggas riding them big old Ford Rentals and shit on Young, looking good, doing it looking good, but really ain't. I know what's going on. You know, I've been around. I know what's going on. I've been a nigga. I know the truth. Oh yeah, that's what be going on. Y'all be fooled thinking them niggas having it their way. Get to the dinner table, nigga like shit. I got 70 in my pocket. I'm never spending my last.
I left my wallet in the car.
The Range Rover on E. Oh yeah, nigga, got Lamborghini on E. Oh yeah, they just doing the look.
who said, oh, Edo?
I'ma be in the undie on foot. Oh, she like when she really went and watched the video. She said you like really dope goat.
Yeah, they was watching it.
She go crazy.
Oh, Crip.
Yeah, I mean, you can go check out my Twitter. My Twitter is the same as my Instagram.
Man,
You
we
can go
got her
check
up
out some videos.
talking
Oh, I'm
about
finna
the
add your
Nutella
Instagram
whipped
and Twitter.
cream.
I
We
already
got her
added
at
you
the
on Instagram. I'm
bottom,
about to add you
viral
on Twitter.
dealer.
Yeah, my Twitter.
I'm gonna follow
Who you finna
the
follow?
last Buddha.
On Hoover?
You don't follow Cuzzo? Don't be doing that. Don't be acting bougie with folks. I don't like girls do that. Be acting bougie with their little followers. Like, god damn, it's only Instagram.
Okay.
Wait, let me hold on. Let me search for this because somebody just said something in the comments. I gotta.
Hoover, who is that?
Look, it's me on my phone case.
Period.
Hey, I want to see Ling Ling, go.
Well, Ling Ling is busy at the moment,
Bro,
so.
you act like she don't got an Instagram or something.
Well,
If she
she
want,
deactivated it. She deactivated it. She just want to chill right now. She want to.
she want to chill.
Yeah.
Better tell that bitch get activated like
Buddha,
y'all
you
do.
better follow me back.
She been.
Damn, you pressing me, cuz?
Please follow me back.
What's wrong with people?
Hey.
Who said it like she kissed a hot stove? Yeah.
Bitch, how am I thirsty?
They said them lips big. Yeah.
I'm getting them bigger tomorrow. I'm getting them done.
Hold on, what you getting done?
I'm getting my lips done tomorrow and my nails.
Oh yeah, you finna be able to suck a soda bottle through a water hose.
Hey,
Y'all are funny.
you funny too.
Oh yeah, you talking about you going to get them bigger? Or, yeah, what you want them bigger for? Yeah, you want them to wrap
I'm
them?
getting mine bigger. I got mine done like 2 years ago, and then the juvenile already went away and shit. Is yours?
I need a MacBook charger and I need an iPhone charger. Let's go.
Yes.
We're going on a trip to
This
suck
how
a
you.
nigga dick.
This how you know when you a nigga. I got 3 iPhone chargers, 5 phones. They got everything plugged up.
I got the rapid chargers and they don't fit in my USB in the fucking car.
I think your mask upside down.
I don't give a fuck.
I got these like
Okay.
bank rolls. Tell them we got iPhones like bankrolls and they all on.
On
Call
Crip,
me
I
in.
ain't on Hoover. Cut got it going.
We got a little bit of
Someone said that
everything.
girl.
Everything
Someone
on
said
Ooh, cut got
that girl
a
on
vibe.
girl. That's you, Leah.
Yeah, that's me.
girl on. Yeah, she
Yeah,
goes
I've done
crazy.
girl on girl. I've done double penetration, gangbangs, blow
Gang
bangs.
bang.
Yeah, it's like me with a bunch of niggas.
I know what that is. You ain't got me.
Oh, well, I didn't know
Hey,
you
on
said
the
it like.
hey, bitch, you ain't have no Mandingo party.
I did have a Mandingo party.
Oh, girl,
It was blacks on blondes. No, it was the blacks on blondes when I had the short Amber Rose cut.
Blacks on blondes.
Yes,
Oh,
and
yeah, get them.
yeah, I had Mo Johnson, Rico Strong, Dirk Hughes, Shawn Michaels, and Slim Poke.
She dangerous. She had it going. High
Yeah,
powerful.
I did anal and vaginal in that one. So yeah,
She going
Hey, she
Dude,
liking it every
anal,
hole, goof.
anal
I
hurts.
like anal
Hurts
and
so
vaginal at the
bad.
same time. I like DPs,
No, anal hurts so bad.
not the gang DPs, double penetration.
I can't even have a finger in my butt. That shit hurts.
Well, damn, maybe they need to manicure their fingers or something.
Hey.
No, it's like nothing fits in my ass.
So that's
Excuse me, do you know where the chargers are at? The iPhone
Oh
chargers and the
my
MacBook chargers?
God. Oh, what did I join, cuh?
You got me in here.
Oh. Hey, ooh. Oh, Hoover. Hey, where you stationed at the bottom, cuh? Where you be at? You be in LA,
LA.
boo? You got your own little condo or something?
Of course. Why wouldn't I have
All
my
right,
own
bro.
shit?
You don't gotta say nothing less. Just be
Thank you
quiet.
so much.
Pause. We just gonna pause that conversation. Pause that for later. Oh, hey, you up top? Where you be at?
LA.
Y'all, but on Crip. We gonna look. Pin that later. Pop. Oh, that's there for later, cuz. But on the damn homies, y'all funny as fuck. Oh my mama.
Wait, in the comments, y'all don't ever do anal?
What?
Like ladies in here, y'all don't like anal?
It
Don't
hurts.
lie. On Crip,
Let
you
me
can
see.
be
I'm waiting
different.
on the comments. I want to see what
It
they gonna say.
hurts.
Like y'all don't be doing
Who gonna
anal?
tell the truth?
Y'all ain't ever got
Some
drunk
of them
one
gonna
time
lie.
and just went in there and it was just, something different. A new sensation. That's actually a porn company, New Sensation.
She said I don't
Excuse me?
understand half the stuff she just said. She just said it in a different language.
This is a MacBook charger, correct?
No, it depends on which MacBook.
No,
The MacBook
you're
Air?
truly used to try it. Somebody said it hurt. Have you tried anal with a Hitachi though?
Right now, he'll be able to tell you which.
If you
What
have
on?
the Hitachi on your clit, it's like
Oh, no.
you
The
know?
phone.
What
The
is a
phone looks
Hitachi?
like
That's that big ass stick thing with the
Yes,
ball
the
on it.
one thing.
The
Oh
phone looks
my
like this
god,
at the
that
end.
shit.
Right, so the
Ooh,
newer
you can
phones
massage a nigga back with that shit. You
No,
could
they
get
didn't.
on
Have it
niggas'
Oh
rants
yeah, that shit
and
like
you
a
could.
big ass, like a big upside down ice cream cone.
No, this is the 13 Pro Max. It's still the same.
That shit is it. She said that she barely got the tip in and was straight off that.
helping some customers right now.
Okay.
Like him over there?
This dumb fuck don't know what he talking about. On the dead homies.
I don't think you like
Hello,
that for real.
chocolate.
I do. If I'm not prepared for
Hi.
it, I'm not gonna like it. But you gotta
They said you
prepare.
need lube. Period.
Yeah, I need Swiss Navy silicone lube. I need to stretch. I need to not eat for like 10 hours. I'm already in a bad mood because I'm hungry. Yeah.
Drink a bar where they Jimmy rigged inside that bar a wire. So he don't want to cut the old one.
Bro.
That one
Hey,
off.
Exactly.
Chanel.
So he can find the other
If he
clip.
ain't nasty, he
But
can't
I
have
told
me,
him,
period.
listen, we
On
don't get
Crip,
no
y'all
fucking
some
thing.
different type of
Slice
bitches,
that
boo.
motherfucker, just put
Don't
the
be
AP.
What, the
vanilla.
lights on the
Don't
bottom?
be vanilla.
Them lights
It's
on the bottom?
only gay if you do it with another nigga. Okay? If you stick your
Yes.
dick in a
So
woman's
this
butt,
is for
it's
the
not
MacBook Air,
gay.
correct? The charger.
It's a woman. It's a woman. Just
Yeah.
saying.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. I need both.
I don't know
Can I
about all
check out
that,
right
cuz.
here?
On Crip,
Yes.
I ain't putting my
You're
dick in no
vanilla.
ass.
You're vanilla. That's what we call vanilla.
She convincing.
He said, I think I like, that Swiss Navy silicone.
Oh,
Shit.
oh, I don't even know what to say no more, bro.
He said they different
Shit.
as fuck. Dead homies different.
On Crip, y'all different. On
What was
Hoover.
that? shit.
That bitch up top talking about some chocolate and some whipped cream. She talking about all the little
No,
viral
she
shit on.
want Nutella, baby.
40.
Oh, Crip, bro, who turned y'all little bitches out, cuz?
I don't want to.
The industry, you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
Look,
Crip, bitch, you got inspired or something, cuz?
look, I got, hold on. I got
Some of
dicks
y'all
and
like them
shit.
some
I
bitches.
got
On the
dicks
dead
and
homies,
shit.
bitch,
On the
that's your
dead
whole
homies,
sex
they
drawer?
do.
Yes.
Why you got that many toys, cuz?
Let me see.
Niggas,
Go back.
On the, hey, Goof, on
Go back.
five,
Let me
bitch, you
see.
got like, oh, Crip, you
Oh
like
yeah, what
rubber,
I
huh?
miss?
That bitch like rubber, Goof.
I got a
thank
body
you.
mount.
She said she
I
like
got a
rubber.
body mount. It
Can I
has a
get a
dick
bag?
on it.
What is that? On the
Oh,
dead home,
whoa,
oh,
oh, young. You be
whoa.
in there on top of him?
Hey, what is up with you, cuz? Why
What?
you
I gotta make
talking like
customs, you
that,
know?
dude?